What I wish I knew as a newbie data analyst. Here are 10 essential steps for your next project. First, define the problem. Understand what business question you're trying to solve. Next, collect your data. Gather from multiple sources and make sure it's accurate. Now it's time for data cleaning. Handle those missing values and remove duplicates. Step 4. Exploratory data analysis. Use visualization tools to find patterns and trends. Fifth, data modeling. Apply statistical methods or machine learning models. Then, validate your model. Test its accuracy and refine as needed. Seventh, create visualizations and reports to share your findings. Implement your insights into business processes. Review and iterate, monitor results, and tweak as necessary. Finally, document everything for future reference. Follow these steps for a smooth and successful data analysis project.